Bah Saleng A Pynshai Yakarai Jong Congress Party banyak kon marwai ha ke election GHADC bat ula penram tyngeh yak Sorkar Meghalaya Halor ka jingwan rung ka Panchayat System hapoh ki benta jong ka autonomous district council ADC habaya day bat ka election GHADC Bah Saleng ula pynpaw shai ba ka Congress Party kanya marwai ha kani ka jingya kon ka ban sawan haba kawai kalat pathai khubor ka kali Halor ka jingdawa banweng ya president ka party Bah Saleng ula Pynshai ba umla ban kuno ya uway ubreu na kabenta ka jingdo ka party baro kawai Bah Saleng ula kadawshai ba ka riti synshar jongi kadon hauput ubasniu namar ba kibor bniah kilasha ya ka Panchayat System ban treikam ha ki jaka kibahap hapoh ka 6 schedule ula Pynshai ruba ka Panchayat bat ka 6 schedule kimla ban yalong lang ha kaju ka jaka namar kaan kadon ki artali ki kindon kiba yapher ukdo shai ba katkum ka article arspa saupulai MN Act ka Panchayat kamla bandon hapoh ka autonomous district council pynpaw ka jingkuslai ba ki DC district magistrate ki pinmi ki hukum ban pinlong ya ki Gram Sabha lani ki baipat ki jingpyrshah jong ka Panchayat kabalong ka Jingbakla namar kawanra ya ka jingeh kaja hapadeng ka Panchayat bat ka 6 schedule ula penwana ba unsa ya kendo ya baro ki DC ban Pynshai ya ki kendon ki aiñ bat ki hok ki badan ha ka riti synshar ka jingkran Bah Saleng ka Pynshai ya ka jingdon kam ban bniah ya ka jinglong kerpang jong ka 6 schedule na Meghalaya hato ka Sorkar kan shimkhya ya kini ki jingkli ki bahe ha ka aiñ kini ai jingpyrshah
cannot blame one man for the entire party. You cannot. If somebody has lost in his own constituency, you cannot blame somebody. Why you put a finger at someone when you yourself cannot lead your own team? Why you yourself cannot lead your own constituency? So you cannot do that. Definitely, as per your questions, definitely Congress will be going solo in this coming election, and then we will definitely be highlighting all the issues as I have told you already, because right now they cannot coexist in one area. So that's why now why the government of Meghalaya is allowing this Panchayat to come into existence in the autonomous area itself, in the 6-schedule area itself. Under Article 243 MN Act, the Panchayat cannot exist in the autonomous, and under the SC/ST Act, the DC of, the district magistrate of every district has to safeguard the SC/ST under the SC/ST Act, and then every district magistrate should know about the SC/ST Act also. That's why definitely I'll have a meeting with all the DCs from every district, and then we will apprise about the rules and the rights and whatever it is there in the constitution. Okay. Right now it seems like in some of the area the DC has ordered that Gram Sabha or Gram Panchayat to be elected. It seems like that, or maybe to organize, so which is wrong. And then PAI is coming into existence, that Panchayat at Punch Index. Now, as I have told you, under Article 243 MN, where there is autonomous district council under the 6-schedule on the part, I think somebody might have incited them to, to forcibly engage in this particular organizations of the Panchayat system. Now this is the area where the conflict is coming between the